Hey guys, as many of you guys know, I'm covering the Alex Murdaugh case. Alec Murdaugh is an elitist, a person out in South Carolina that literally had everything: the power, the prestige. Their family name is in the history books. What do I mean by that? His family was the county solicitor, i.e., the county prosecutor, for 86 consecutive years. This man's name was big in their community, Alec Murdaugh. What is going on with this case? Well, let me just give you a little bit of history related to Alex Murdaugh. Alex Murdaugh was an attorney and worked for a law firm that his great-grandfather established back in 1910. Again, his family from 1910 to 2006 basically owned the county prosecutor's office. A lot of people that I hear and speak to related to this case believes that there's more going on behind the scenes. But what triggered all of these things to happen? So we're going to go back to his son Paul, which is now deceased. His son Paul went out in his father's boat underage and decided to drink alcoholic beverages and got intoxicated. He ended up driving the boat into a bridge piling, which killed a young girl. There was a civil suit against the Murdaugh family because of Paul, which would have opened Alec up to his finances, to the courts and everywhere else. He was financially responsible for his son. The problem is nobody knew that Alec Murdaugh was actually embezzling from his law firm and from his clients. He was scheming to defraud his clients to the tune of $8.5 million over a small period of time. We found out Alec Murdaugh has a substance abuse problem, which helped in this. We are also hearing now that co-conspirators in these fraud and schemes have also been charged in related to the case. But during all these charges, these financial crimes, his son and wife end up getting killed. They were murdered. He tried to set up his own suicide so he could leave the rest of his estate to his son, his only son left, Buster. So the defense has been really pushing hard for this to be a case with a gag order on it. And South Carolina Judge Clifton Newman has denied the request for pretrial gag order in the Alec Murdaugh murder investigation. Murdaugh is recently disbarred from the South Carolina Lawyers Bar Association, Attorney Bar Association. He's facing a multitude of financial and drug crime charges. Was indicted by the Colton County Grand Jury on July 14th on murder and weapons charges in a June 7th, 2021 shooting of his wife Maggie and his young son Paul. That is correct. He is being charged with killing his wife and his son. So the judge has stated no gag orders. They are not putting a gag order on this case. This will be talked about and this will be deliberated in the courtroom and outside of the courtroom. So we'll keep you updated and abreast of any information related to Alex Murdaugh. Alex Murdaugh is this guy right here that's covering his face, the only person in the courtroom that wants to hide his face. Thursday, Newman's office filed 3-page order with the Colton County Clerk's office denying that joint motion. The order stated that Murdaugh's rights to a fair trial must be balanced by other constitutional rights, and to issue such an order at this early stage of the trial could jeopardize the public's and press rights. That's right. We have rights in these cases. That's why they are tried in the public eye. And it's constitutionally required to be that way. So just thought I'd give you guys an update on this case. I'm not going to go through this entire article. If you would like to see it, it's at greenvilleonline.com, greenvilleonline.com. South Carolina Judge does deny the gag order related to the Alec Murdaugh murder case. God bless each and every one of you. If this was informative for you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.